Yo, I'm recording you.
No.
Yeah, sorry, we're off to fucking...
Stop making it, just look at the floor. Oh, can you see that crane there? We've not been here yet. We've walked past it a few times, wanting to go home, but we've just not come on. It's just back to me and Bradley today. Adam's not with us. That is bad. Where are you going? It's called rotational.
yeah, we'll back when we get there, innit?
Jungle frogs. Jed Street, what's been left there all
Carrera on that. It's nice.
We're not fiends though, so we don't rob.
How were
Very
you?
bare times.
Innit?
About.
It's active as fuck.
Oh!
And I almost got run over.
That bus is bad. I just can't wait until one of us get caught on camera falling. Like slipping on our asses.
Oh, bro, I swear one of these best work. I want to drive the vehicle, man.
Are you recording, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of us is gonna slip on our ass tonight. I can feel it.
Innit?
You hear that noise?
Yeah. Yo,
Nice and easy.
look at that. I want to go on that fucking
I'm
me.
feeling that we're gonna get arrested tonight, like. Go, G. Easy way, look.
Is there? Yeah, man.
Got light and flat.